The squares go skating. The Square family is on their way to the ice skating rink. Little Square has never been ice skating before. She can't wait to get there. She thinks she will do tricks and spin in fast circles. When they arrive, Little Square sees skaters whizzing around on the ice rink.
That looks easy.
Little Square cannot wait to try it out. She goes straight into the rink. She slips and slides, topples and tumbles.
But I thought I would be good at this,
she says. I think you forgot to put the ice skates on, says Mama Square. Little Square looks down and realizes her mistake. And as soon as she has a pair of skates on, she takes to the ice once again.
See? Easy.
She grins.